Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my home, bringing you some more stay-at-home, full-time parent, cleaning, deep, extremely satisfying motivation from my home to yours. With that being said, let's get started.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe. I can't wait. Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So this little guy was crawling in my kitchen. I don't know where he came from. Probably trying to get out of the cold, but I just rescued him inside this little cup, and I placed him back outside so that he could run free back in nature. Just wanted to share that with you guys. He may be a spider, but he's so cute. Just looking there. As always, thank you for clicking on the video and taking the time to watch and show me support, especially if you've watched all the way to the end of the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you like what you've seen, and hit that